Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Grand Cash advance notifications for eligibility updates, important account alerts. Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down to the list of apps and find the Grand app, or just directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications. Then make sure that it is turned on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Check the alerts tile below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none. Since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well. And make sure that time sensitive notification is enabled since account alerts benefit from breaking through quiet settings. Scroll to the top of the settings and tap focus. After that, once you go tap on it and go through each and every focus mode you use. Sleep, do not disturb, personal, and make sure that grind isn't silenced in the app list under each one. So all you've got to do is go to settings, grind, allow notifications on, time sensitive enabled, focus mode checked, grind alerts come through, and that's it. Subscribe.